Hi, I'm Wendy from Shiny Happy World, and this cute, chubby-cheeked hamster is the current pattern in the Funny Faces Quilt Block of the Month Club. When I say current, it is October 1st, 2023, and if you are in the club already, you should have already received the pattern in your inbox. If you're not in the club yet, and you join any time in the month of October 2023, this is the pattern that you're going to get instantly. If you're watching this video and it's way after October 2023, you can find this pattern in the shop at shinyhappyworld.com. Here's how to make him. All right, this is the video showing how to assemble the hamster block if you do have a Lightbox. I highly recommend a Lightbox. I can't believe I went so long without one. I've got a separate video showing you all of the details, but here is a quick rundown. I've got my Lightbox. I've got 3 layers here. I've got my Lightbox. I've got it turned on and the brightness all the way up. I have the placement guide that comes in your pattern, and I have a clear silicone sheet. And now I'm just gonna start with number 1 and lay all the pieces down exactly where they are indicated. So first we start with the shoulder piece and just get that right into place. There we go. And now we're gonna do piece number 2, which is one of the ears. And this is the dark brown hamster. I did a few hamsters in different colors. They come in lots and lots of different colors. And at the end of the video, I'll show all of them to you, all the different versions that I made. So 3 was the other bigger part of the ear. Now I have some inner ear pieces. If you can't see the numbers through a layer of fabric, especially if it's a slightly darker color, just push down, not hard. You just need to make contact between all the layers, and those lines will show right through. So piece number 4 is the inner ear on this side, and these inner ears are optional. I just thought that they looked cute, but you definitely do not need them. So 5 is the inner ear on the other side. And again, just gonna tap that down so I can see those lines. And now piece number 6 is the top of the head. Oh, and before I do that, you know what? I'm not gonna put the eyelashes on this guy, so I don't need to transfer any of these lines. So I'm gonna go ahead and put that into place. You always wanna transfer the lines before you peel off the paper backing. And I've just got that twisted a little bit. There we go. All right, that is the top of his head. Now this, I do need to transfer this mouth. So I'm just going to set that down so that the light will shine through it. And I'm just gonna trace right over that line with a fine tip Sharpie. It doesn't matter, this is a permanent pen, but that's okay because I'm gonna stitch over that black line with black thread. You're never gonna see it. So it doesn't matter that it's not gonna wash out. So that is piece number 7. Hamsters don't always have these super fat cheeks, but they do when they're kind of storing things in there. And I thought that was super cute. So that is what I chose to focus on. And I managed to shift all these other pieces out of the way. Usually I don't do that, but let's get these guys back in place. There we go. All right, now I just have the eyes and the nose. And the 2 eyes are identical. It doesn't really matter which one goes on which side. Again, I'm gonna need to make contact so I can see where these go. And then another one on this side. And his nose. Now, I usually give all of my animals black noses, but in my research into hamsters, I studied many, many, many photos of hamsters, and I saw that all of them, even the darker colored hamsters, tend to have a light colored nose, usually pink. Sometimes it's kind of tan or peachy kind of color, but I went with pink here because I thought that was super cute. All right, so I've got all of the pieces in place. I'm happy with how they all look, so I'm going to carefully lift up the silicone mat, carry it over to my ironing board, and fuse all the pieces together right on the mat. I'm going to let them cool, and then I will peel them off, and then I'll be able to place it on my final block, fuse that into place. That's the permanent fuse. You can peel off of silicone, but you can't peel off of fabric, or you can, but it leaves a gross residue behind. Then I'll do all of the outline stitching, and I'll bring it back here and show you the finished block, and also show you the other hamsters that I made in other colors, including one where I did stitch the eyelashes, so you can see what that looks like. All right, here is one of the finished hamsters. I've got 3 that I'm going to show you. For this one, I used all fabrics. All of the yellows are fabrics from the Lion Blenders collection. That's part of the Animal Kingdom collection. And this background block is one of the strawberry blenders from the Farmer's Market collection. And the nose is also from the strawberry blenders. And this one I did stitch the eyelashes on. So I've got one to show you here where I did not do the eyelashes. And that is this adorable guy. Oh, he's so cute. So on this one, all of the browns are from the Grizzly Blenders, which is also from the Animal Kingdom collection. The nose is from the Farmer's Market, the Strawberry Blenders. And this background block, this is one of my quilt blocks where I've already the fabric comes printed with the quilting lines on it. And this is from a new color palette that I've just put together. It's called Sea Breeze. And this particular color is Sea Oats. So it's all kind of weathered, worn colors inspired by the beach. And I've got one more version. I did one more with eyelashes. So I did all of my hamsters in pretty natural colors. So all of the hamster colors are from the Animal Kingdom collection. These grays are all from the Elephant Blenders. Again, I did the nose from the Strawberry Blenders because hamsters seem to all have pink or peachy or tan noses, but light noses. And on this guy, I really emphasized those cheeks by giving him a very contrasty pale face. And then the background block is one of their pre-printed quilt blocks from the classic Rainbow collection. So that is 3 hamsters made with the new hamster quilt pattern, the current pattern in the Funny Faces Quilt Block of the Month Club. I'll be back next month with a new pattern.